Hello everyone. In a groundbreaking development for urban transportation, China has recently completed a successful test flight of a 2-ton class electric vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft, marking a significant leap in the pursuit of future flying taxis. The Matrix-1, designed and created independently by a Shanghai-based aerospace science and technology firm, is poised to revolutionize the way we travel. Measuring 10 meters in length and 3 meters in height, with a wingspan of 15 meters and a weight of 2 tons, the Matrix-1 is not only sleek and futuristic, but also boasts impressive specifications. This unmanned aircraft has a design range of 250 kilometers, a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour, and a maximum payload of 500 kilograms. What's more, it can transport up to 5 passengers simultaneously. The M1E's unique design resembles industrial, agricultural, plant protection, and aerial photography drones, underlining its versatility in various applications. One of its standout features is its capability for vertical takeoff and landing, eliminating the need for a runway and making it a feasible solution for urban transportation challenges. Equipped with an electric drive, the Matrix-1 ensures minimal noise levels and leaves no carbon emissions, aligning with global efforts towards sustainable and eco-friendly transportation solutions. The test flight, which took place in October, marked a historic moment as the M1 became the first 2-ton evtol aircraft developed independently in China. The flying taxi concept, symbolizing the future of urban transportation, garnered significant attention at the 6th China International Import Expo. The Matrix-1E's potential to transform the way people commute within cities was evident, generating excitement and anticipation for the future of air taxis. In March of 2023, Matrix-1 transitioned from conceptualization to production, with the first unit entering formal production. Subsequent flight tests in September paved the way for a successful first flight in October, solidifying China's position at the forefront of evtol and UAV unmanned aerial vehicle technology. Notably, the Matrix-1 was initially introduced as a freight model, featuring a sleek evtol cargo aircraft design with 3.5 cubic meters of cargo area. The vehicle's capabilities include transporting 32 postal boxes at a cruise speed of 200 kilometers per hour, with a range of 250 kilometers. The M1E's empty weight stands at 1,500 kilograms, with a maximum payload of 500 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 2,000 kilograms. Shanghai Aviation Technology, the mastermind behind the Matrix-1, has simplified the assembly process, requiring only 2 to 3 people, thanks to its ultralight carbon fiber skin. Assistant researcher of the Civil Aviation Administration of China, Zhu Dongsong, proudly declared that China leads the world in both evtol and UAV technology, solidifying the nation's prowess in the aerospace industry. The air taxi M1 is not just a technological marvel. It represents a promising step towards a future where urban transportation is not bound by traditional limitations. As China continues to innovate in the realm of evtol technology, the Matrix-1 stands as a testament to the nation's commitment to shaping the future of transportation. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this one. Goodbye.